But let's talk about Rolly. Rolly is like, Rolly is doing some serious stuff. I mean, I still haven't posted that first job you did.
At FIU, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Did you send me those videos yet?
I did.
You did? Okay.
Finally did.
Okay, so I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get Eric to work on that.
Yeah, you touch me like you know me.
I know. I don't. Yeah, vámonos acá. Mira. So Rolly does a lot of wildlife. And talk about. I know, right, baby? All right, so talk to us about what you've been doing, because you were just up in Central Florida, up in Apopka, right?
Yep.
All right,
in
so,
Kaysville.
All right, so tell them what you were doing.
Yeah, so we're really excited. So the State of Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission is rewriting the trapping laws for Florida.
Right.
So fur bearer trapping, wildlife trapping, and they requested different interest groups to participate in the process. So one of the interest groups is the pest control industry. Other interest groups, for example, are farmers, landowners, the humane society, for example. So it's a lot of competing interest groups. And the funny thing is, we had our first meeting last week in Gainesville, and it went very well. We actually all want the same thing. I think we're coming at it from different angles, but it's going to be a fun process throughout the year, helping the state of Florida rewrite their laws. Okay. Or being a part of the process.
Yeah, and this is NPMA is doing this, because traditionally NPMA FPMA. Okay, Florida
Pest. So I'm representing Florida Pest Management Association.
Got it. Okay.
In the tag team.
Right, and then we're trying to get NACOA.
Yeah, then we're trying to get NACOA to work together with FPMA for training.
Got it. All right. So
White supremacy.
Hold on. You're the lowest talking Puerto Rican Cuban I know. Hold on. I mean, this isn't.
If you want me to be loud,
hey, what? Yeah, you need to be louder. You need to be a little louder. I mean, it's like.
So my question was, what do you require? What's required to become a wildlife nuisance removal company in the state of Florida?
Florida, it's actually that part of the process that we're inviting, because if you're a pest control operator, you never done a hostile pest license, you got these out there.
I'll whisper you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, come out there. He's a test 2007.
Yeah.
0 points of walleyes.
Okay.
So I just started doing walleye now. I was at least
cognizant enough to become associated with NACOA and get training if I was going to start doing wildlife. Then more recently they added a limited. So the funny thing is, the pest control industry is licensed and governed through Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, FDACS. But Fish and Wildlife also has authority, so they could fine you, but they don't license you. So you're licensed through FDACS. So FDACS then more recently did a limited trapper license that allows you to do trapping, but you can't use chemicals. So you could trap rats, you could exclude rats, but you can't use rodenticide, for example. Or you could trap birds, but you can't use avitrol, for example.
Similar to what you did with the bee law, where you can now become a bee.
Right.
We can remove bees, or just can't use chemicals.
You can use chemicals.
As long as it's a live bee removal.
Right.
Yeah, got it. So
or you're using soap and water.
Yeah, soap and water. Yeah, as long as you're not using a chemical.
Right.
Got it.
So, and then hopefully by next year, there's going to be a little more strict process on trapping.
Got it.